the biggest takeaway is that this delays things by months, and it really cuts away from some of the football season, which was the goal.
Sports wagering fans in Missouri don't bet on a summer wagering date after all. A sports wagering foe in the legislature, now Secretary of State, rejects emergency rules designed to speed up the rulemaking process. I'm John Holt.
I'm Bria Love. Secretary of State Denny Hoskins says that the rules don't meet the proper emergency criteria. The Gaming Commission had hoped to launch sports betting by June 30th. Fox 4's Jonathan Ketz joins us live from Harrah's tonight, one of the casinos hoping to host sports gambling. So, John, what's the timeline look like now?
Sometime this fall, Bria, while we were able to interview the chair of the Missouri Gaming Commission, we were not able to get a whole lot more information from Secretary of State Denny Hoskins. A spokeswoman for Secretary of State Denny Hoskins says the emergency rules have been rejected because they did not meet the threshold for emergency rulemaking processes. The rules will proceed through standard rulemaking. I don't know what that means.
Well, there's a state statute that shows, what the criteria is for an emergency, health and welfare of, the citizens of the state of Missouri, and it was felt that, that they did not meet that criteria as being an emergency to protect the health and welfare.
The senior editor of Covers.com, Ryan Butler, said the Missouri Gaming Commission had hoped to have a soft launch of sports betting around June the 30th. Instead, the rules for it now won't go into effect until August 30th.
Football is far and away the most popular sport that they bet on. All the sports books, everybody wants this done by fall, and looks like we're not going to. It's going to be tough for them to reach that.
Besides an actual start date, it's important to note that when Secretary Hoskins was a state senator, he was against sports betting becoming legal unless video lottery terminals, or VLTs, which are already in some gas stations in the state, would become legalized too. Do you feel like you're being caught up in political games?
You know what? We don't, we at the MGC and myself and my fellow commissioners not, really, getting involved in any type of political discussion that happens, maybe in Jefferson City. I know the Secretary of State's position, previously, about sports wagering, but, I feel that, his office was doing their due diligence.
So I asked the woman if she thought sports betting could start October 1st in the state of Missouri. She said she thought that would be difficult. Remember, though, the initiative petition that voters passed in November of 2024 says that sports betting has to be up and running in the Show Me State by December 1st of 2025.